Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I am the owner of this second gen 2004 Toyota Prius with only 89,000 miles on the odometer. This one is the highest trim which was made in this time, meaning, for example, it has full keyless function. You never have to use this. It will lock, unlock itself completely, and these functions are programmable. It has a full leather interior, which you can see here, and it's a two-tone. It's that dark cherry red two-tone. It also has a JBL stereo, including underneath that seat is a JBL amplifier. And this weekend we were finally taking the baby to go hiking and use this gasoline saving vehicle. She's going right now at this moment over 41 miles per gallon, and right in the driveway when we hopped in, I put her in reverse and the Prius starts beeping. Beep, 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 beep. And my wife is like, what is this? That's annoying. Is this commercial vehicle or what? So, this video will be about another function which is programmable, and we will be deleting that annoying beeping in reverse. And as we said, it's fully keyless. So you don't have to use that slot which has that green lights on. There's no need. Let's show you. When I put my foot on the brake, I power the vehicle.
Yes, that's a good thing. Get the ignition.
And I will put in reverse. This is the beeping I was talking about. Fortunately, Toyota made it as a programmable feature, and this is how you can get rid of it. And this procedure is done in odometer setting, not in the trip A or trip B. You have an odometer. You step on the brake pedal, you put the power on. Right after that, you push the odometer trip button for 10 seconds. Here you can actually see my gas mileage, 41.7 miles per gallon. While holding that odometer button, you put in reverse right here, and then you put it back in park. And I can let go of this button, and I have displayed the be on. Oh, it went away. I missed my opportunity. I have to redo it. But there was be on and be off if I push the odometer trip button. If I did that and switched it to be off and turn off the vehicle, the beeping will be gone. But I'm talking, Peter, you talk too much. So let's do it one more time. Maybe it's helpful for this video. Foot on the pedal. Push the power button and odometer. Wait for 10 seconds right here. And this time I will do it more quickly. After 10 seconds, that should be it. Put it on the reverse and put it in the park. It's be on there, and I will switch it to be off. I push this, and now I have it be off right there. Hopefully you can see it. And I can finally turn off. You saw it, it went off. I can turn off the vehicle. And now, when we will put it on and try to back out of the garage, it should be not doing that annoying beeping. Vehicle on. Let's wait. And now let's go. Look, I'm in the reverse. I will start moving. You can see it. and the beeping is off. So I got lucky because the wife, if she drives with me, she will not say, "Peter, what is this annoying car doing?" Now we will drive it. If we go camping, if we go hiking only, camping we will take bigger vehicles, but if we go just hiking somewhere and the drive is almost hour one way, this saves money on the gasoline. Now we will be not listening the annoying beeping. And as you saw, this baby does over 41 miles per gallon. Not so bad if you consider how old it is. But it has low mileage, 89,000 miles only, and after I serviced everything, I think this one has a lot of life left in it. I hope many of you will find this video helpful in the future. If you think it is helpful, please give it a thumb up. Be subscribed, have the notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.